Good day, I am Novetsky Solar and this is my video reaction in the video attached in our Google Classroom. The video is very nice, it's very knowledgeable. It really helps us and it will help us to encourage farmers to do it. The video is all about concoction. It talks about concoction, which is very helpful for our farmers. First of all, what is concoction? In the video, they tell us that concoction. The best way and easiest way to understand and define is this. Concoction is mixing different ingredients. In agriculture, concoction, mixing different ingredients to make it fertilizer. There are 7 kind of concoction that tackles in the video attached by TESDA. The 7 concoction that tackles is IMO, FAA, FPJ, FFG, and CALPUS. OHN 1 and 2. Lastly is the LBS or labs. IMO is the rinse of rice when we cook. We will rinse it. That will also help to make concoction. Next is the FAA. What is FAA? Based on the video, FAA is a fish amino acid. Juice extracts of fish that is fermented good for 30 days. Next is FPJ. Next is FPJ. FPJ is fermented plant juice. Like plant, we will ferment it mixed with sugar and other ingredients. Next is FFG. FFG is fruit fermented juice. FFJ is usually used for fertilizer and it's really good. Next one is CALPUS. This is very interesting. It like recycling. CALPUS is made of eggshell, vinegar, and bones. Fish bones, something like that. Next is OHN. Mixture of different herbs with mixture of alcohol. This is very interesting. This is really good. Herbs with alcohol. Is labs or lactic acid bacteria. It is a probiotic organism from fermented food. It is also considered safe. That's all. Thank you.